Alright, let's finish off this question here. So this one now is slightly different because they're asking for, well they're telling us, sorry, that the number of eggs is proportional to the square of the diameter. Okay, so we still have two variables here. I've got E and D. But in this case, I've got the square. And I remember, I think back to those equations that I got. I had y is equal to k times x squared. Okay, so that's the only difference in the equation that I have to make. Right? It's telling me the square of the diameter. Okay, and now it's important I square the correct one, right? So when I look at this equation, I say, okay, well I know then that E is going to be equal to k times the square of the diameter, so that's d squared. Okay, so in this case, the order does actually matter, so I need to square the diameter. Okay, so like all the other ones, once I've got the two variables, I need to sub in the values of the given x and y. So it's telling me that 2 eggs are needed to make a cake of diameter 15 centimeters, so I replace E with 2, and I replace D with 15. Now, let me just chuck these values out. If I want to get k by itself, I'll divide both sides by 15 squared. So I've got k is equal to 2 divided by 15 squared, and that's going to be a small number. Why don't we just leave it as a fraction? So 2 over 225. Okay. Now I've got the k value. Okay. What I want to do next is I want to use this k value and go back to my equation. So I've got E is equal to 2 over 225, sorry. 225 times d squared, and I say, okay, how many eggs do you need to make a cake of diameter of 34 centimeters? So I go back to my equation, and I say, let's substitute in 34 as d, because that's what the information I'm given. I say E is equal to 2 over 225 times 34 squared. Okay. And when I put that into my calculator, I get a decimal value. So it says 10.27 for decimal places. Now, you're inclined to leave the answer like that, but it's asking for how many eggs. And we can't really have 0.27 of an egg. So what I have to do is think about, okay, well if I have 10, that's not going to be enough to get a diameter of 34 centimeters. So I actually need to go one further and say, okay, I actually need 11 eggs to do this. Okay. So don't try and save money by getting less eggs, but you're going to have to go one more to meet the criteria of the question. Okay. Part 2, what is the diameter of a cake that contains 6 eggs? So same idea, I go back to my equation. E equals to 2 over 225 times 34 squared. Okay, and I say, alright, well this time I know that E is going to equal to 6. I'm trying to find the diameter that makes. Okay, so I say E is equal to 6, so I replace 6 with E, sorry, replace E with 6. 225 times, should be D there, times D squared. So opposite multiplication, I've got division here. So I've got 6 divided by 2 over 225 times D squared equals D squared, sorry. Now here's where it gets a little bit trickier, because D squared is going to equal to 6 divided by 2 over 225. That's going to equal to 675. Now I need to think, okay, I've got D squared here, but what I really want is D, the diameter. So what I can do is, okay, anytime you really want to solve an equation, just think about the opposite operations. I've got D squared here, but I want to get D. So I need to use the square root. Okay, so I take the square root of both sides. This will leave me with D on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, I'll take the square root of this value here, which is square root of 675. And that's going to be 25.98 to 2 decimal places. Okay, and that's all you have to do for solving questions that involve direct variation. Follow these steps. Right? Identify your variables, sum in the given values of x and y, then find k. And once you've done that, that's the hard part, because then all you need to do is sum in x or y values to find other